First, I want to thank you for considering Trailer Butler as one of your purchase options. We know that there is a lot of competition out there, and we appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. So I'm going to answer the three most common questions that we get asked. So the first one is, what are the key differences between the frame mount hinged model and the frame mount swivel model? So I'm going to keep this as short and concise as I can and really touch on the main differences. So the hinged model was designed specifically for travel trailers and other trailers that have a busy tongue section. So the propane tanks, weight distribution bars, generators, all the different items that can be stored on the front of the trailer. The hinge mount was made specifically for that trailer. The reason being, with the hinge mount, when it changes from the in-use position to the stowed position, it swings out away from the trailer and up to the stowed position. So it doesn't matter the brackets that you have, the propane tanks, the battery tray sitting right here. None of those can cause interference because this swings out, away, and up. With the swivel model, with the way that this transitions from the in-use position to stowed, this is going to swing parallel to the frame and up to the stowed position. So if you have items on the tongue of your trailer that extend beyond the edge of the frame rail, you may have interference issues with the swivel model. So with that said, if you call me and tell me that you have a travel trailer and you are wondering which model to choose, I'm going to tell you that you are going to be better off, and my own personal choice is the hinge mount. For all other styles of trailers, either one will work. As far as capability, they are both proven from our existing customers to work on rocks, gravel, grass, driveway transitions, you name it, where you guys are using it in the real world, it works. The second question that we are asked a lot is, I have limited space on the front of my trailer, will this fit? And the answer is yes. These trailer dollies were designed specifically to fit onto trailers that have, again, the busy front ends. So, to answer the question quickly and concisely, if you have 5 inches of available space on your frame, these will fit. So, for example, we have customers who are potential customers who call in and say, I don't have 5 inches of clearance. I don't know that this is going to work for me. I can tell you without a doubt that there is at least 5 1/4 inches between the battery tray that runs from frame rail to frame rail. The distance between the front and back rail is at least 5 1/4 inches. Our bracket can be installed between that rail, and the Butler will work there without any issues. That will work with either model. And the third question that we are asked is, how hard is this to install? And this is actually kind of a two-part question. How hard is this to install, and how does it change from the in-use position to the stowed position, or vice versa? So again, the short answer is, it's very simple. And we are actually going to show you the installation process for both of these and the transition from the down position to the stowed position. So hang tight, we're going to get these Butlers ready, and we're going to show you that and take under 2 minutes.